So yes, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So हम लोग आज जा रहे हैं यॉर्ड साइकिलिंग पे. So this is my outfit. Like ये अभी जैकेट पहना है बिकॉज हम लोग ट्रेन में आए टाइप्स ऑफ विधि ये एंड इधर मॉम मम्मा एंड ये मॉम का है. So हम लोग जा रहे हैं एंड एक्चुअली बिफोर टाइम है लाइक हम लोग ने सनडाउनर क्रूज़ बुक किया है. लाइक हम लोग ने सनडाउनर क्रूज़ बुक किया है. सो हम लोग का होगा हम लोग का रीचिंग टाइम 5. तो हम लोग का रीचिंग टाइम 5 आसपास होगा. लाइक बोट हमें 5 लेने आएगी तो हमें 4:30 तक रीच करना था. बट भैया हम लोग 4:10 को ही पहुँच जाएगा है. सो वी आर अर्ली वैसे सो गुड एंड लेट्स. सो गाइस हम लोग नीचे उतर चुके हैं. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स ताज होटल बिकॉज हमारा जो गेट है होटल का वो ताज के सामने है. सो लाइक ये ताज है एंड उसके सामने वी आर गोइंग बिकॉज हमारा वो है 4:20 हुआ है 4:30. लाइक वहाँ जाके हम कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे उनको कि क्या सीन है एंड एवरीथिंग. तो वहाँ हमारा यॉट का होगा. सो नाउ लेट्स लाइक अभी ये अभी हम फिर ऐसा ओपन कर देंगे. सो नाउ लेट्स सी क्या होगा वहाँ जाके मैं बताती हूँ. सो गाइस अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं एंड वी आर वेटिंग ओवर हियर समवेयर के कोई दिख तो नहीं रहा है बट इट इज़ लाइक 4:27. सो स्टिल वी आर वेटिंग. देखते हैं कौन क्या आता है एंड वी आर मम्मी आ गई. मम्मी वो झरने लाइक वाटर स्प्लैशेस लेने गई है मतलब दरिया देखने गई है उस साइड से. ये अपना गेटवे वहाँ लोग हैं. हम लोग बोट पे बैठ चुके हैं एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स दी समवेयर बोट जहाँ यॉट पे साइकिलिंग होगी. वाह. सो वी आर ऑन आवर वे ओवर देयर. नाउ लेट्स सी. सो अभी स्टार्ट होगा एंड हम जाएंगे. राइट एक्साइटेड फॉर दी साइकिलिंग ऑन यॉट. Yeah, too much. Super excited and this is everything you can see. Look, it is like this. So yes, the boat has started and we are on its way. Like and we are super excited. So guys, we have actually reached. This is our yacht in boat somewhere. It's written on single line and this is the boat. Like it is 20 people. Like at a time it is for 20 people or something. So we are also 15 to 20 people. So let's guys हम आ गए. Like we have reached it. So we have reached and it is very beautiful. Like very very beautiful. We have came. It's actually very good. Like I'll show you. See. This is what all it looks like and it looks very very pretty. Like sundowner अभी तो आया अभी तो शुरू होगा. We are here in somewhere and this is my outfit for the day. Wow. It looks very good. Like people over here, the vibe and everything. Guys, I guess we'll start a session right now in 2 minutes or something, but this is good. They have their own photographer, they have refreshment drinks over there and there are only limited like 20 people slots, so they can just get a private attention or something like that, but it is very good. Mama, how does it feel? How is it? Didi. So yeah. So guys,
let's go right, left, left, keep your arms straight, let's go, right, left,
so guys, you know, they are making us do this fun activity and it is actually so good. Like this looks so good and it's fun activity. So let's go. Wow.
boys,
such
when
a
you
good
go to the
section.
gym and you're lift heavy, what do you all do?
Love this.
Stretch.
See this. It is so much fun.
Let's go. Yes, girl. You go right, left, left, right, left.
It is so much tiring. Like you can see the exercise. It's very tiring but very much fun because between the breeze and the sea, we are doing this. Love it. And mom is the only strength and my inspiration, guys. At the age of 50 also she does every activity with us. Wow.
You all have, you pulse fully towards up. It doesn't go lower than 90. Yes, and the only time you get to take a break.
So they are just doing crazy activities and fun things. So it is actually fun. Veeti is actually tired and mom is doing.
That's it. All right.
So now see, all will shout. Just wait and watch.
Ready for the next one. Okay, no excuses. Let's go. Keep your legs moving, please.
See.
Arms up.
I wrote a letter to myself in the form of a song I can play when the sun shines. I know better than to trust anything that I say to myself when I'm this high. Hey,
Hey! Hey! Hey!
just like to blow it like Tyler. Only comments I see are the bad ones. Only play what's out like on the sad one. Let the medicine leave. No one don't help in the end. I had a meeting at 7. I skipped it at something and woke up at 7 p.m. Like a pixie on my nose, like this itching up. I don't give a fuck.
She's done with everyone. Everyone is not going in this way. She's so done. This activity is very difficult.
Up. Ready? This is your last one. As loud as you can be.
Hey!
Joined in the end. Thank you so much guys for coming. We have great coffee. Y'all can, like after your session, y'all can just have the coffee and matchas. And yeah, hope y'all had fun.
Yeah, thank you.
Ready to now please stand somewhere.
Yeah, and Anisha and Tripti.
And
Yes, if y'all post anything on Instagram, yeah,
Our session is just done. Now it's like drift, coffee time and matcha time. I don't like any of it, but I'll see if kuch aur milta hai to like lemonade something. But like see, like this is the sea and here we are doing the workout on the cycle. Like it's the best thing you can do. Like all the gym lovers or whoever likes fitness, they should come. It is expensive, but they should come once, I guess, because this is new type. Like in middle of the sea, you can just work out with the breeze and everything, and it is genuinely nice. The people are very too sweet. Everyone here is very good, very good. So this is the whole setup. How was it, mummy? At 50 age, she is just nailing it, guys. She's nailing it. And
Really tired.
at 20 age, she's tired. But mom is telling at 50 she isn't. But yeah. We are going to grab the matcha. View is very nice. Everything is good. So yeah. Now we have came to grab the. This is thing which we can get. Veeti and mom is here and I'm also here. So let's see what will we grab after this session. Okay, girls over here have took matcha, but I literally hate matcha, but let's see. Guys, over here they are making strawberry matcha for mom and I have taken Mediterranean snaps. So this is the matcha thing. Yeah. Okay. Just cancelled matcha by just seeing it. I said her she won't like it, but dekh ke mana kar diya. Now we have took 2 Mediterranean snaps only because it is just like the soda. I do not want to risk it. Yeah, I do not want to risk it because last time in Tint Labs I had matcha strawberry and I didn't actually like it. So that's the whole thing. One more. So we have took our Mediterranean snaps. Let's go. Cheers. And we are just having it. It's good. It's refreshing actually. This one is good. Better than matcha. मैं तेरा बोले लो matcha नहीं try कर. Matcha वो खराब है. मिल्क नहीं बड़ी वो खराब हुआ है. खबर नहीं लोगों ने क्यों दबा है. मैं थूकी थी तुझे matcha लेना. Matcha is like goes over there. Vietnamese coffee and we are Mediterranean snaps.
I love this coffee. Diya, this is for you.
But see, this thing, cycling, drinks, and between the sea. What else do you want, guys? Like, what else? Actually, what else? Like, best thing we can ever have. I guess I'm living my best life. Don't know. No nazar, but yeah, I am. Like, सब तो मैं कर रही हूँ. अब मुझे realize हो रहा है. Everything I'm doing, whatever I want to and I wish for, I complete it. Many things more ahead in life to do. Actually done with our thing. It was very much fun. I took my second drink again, but it was actually fun. Now we are waiting in this type of thing. So I guess that's it. I'll just end my vlog over here. This was a small Chotu So vlog to take you guys on the cycling yard Spinwheel. So yeah, they'll share the photos and everything. We'll see it. And yeah, so this is the end. Hope you guys liked it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.